Welcome to San Diego, Pee Gang. Raise your hand if you have to pee.
So badly.
The fish in there was absolutely wonderful. It was moist, cooked perfectly, still moist, flaky, and they definitely gave me the sense of fresh fish.
Seth, fish and chips. What do you say? This is a sick car for Bradley. My dream car is indeed the FJ Cruiser. And in silver. I just think it's pretty. Thank you. I love the FJ too. That's my dream car. I know it's a pretty lame dream car, but
My dream car is a pink limo.
is it? What's your dream car, Bradley?
It's velvet.
57 Chevy Bel Air. Baby blue outside, white inside.
Where did we arrive in, Brooks?
La Jolla.
La Jolla. Looks like La Jolla, but it's not. It's La Jolla. And it's just north of San Diego. It's insane.
Stunning.
Oh my gosh. So many seals. How to open and push down the center to release soap.
Take the plastic off.
Oh.
You're so cute. Okay, oh, you need that.
Well, it fell off. Don't yell at me.
No, you're good. You don't need to do anything for this.
Well, I want to because I have OCD.
Okay, put it up.
Oh.
Put it up there. Push it. Come on, shoulders.
It's a group effort.
Just go. Takes a village.
There we go.
I just had shoulder surgery, to be fair. Now do I shake it?
No, you drink it.
Don't shake it, it'll get all over the place.
I just drink it now?
Yeah.
Oh, not
Wait,
now.
what's under here?
Okay, now you can.
Whoa. Seth, how you feeling?
Feeling good?
Shelby, how you feeling?